Hello, my name's Stanley. Today I'll demonstrate how the Ishimoku and Awesome Oscillator indicators assist me in understanding current market conditions. I'd like to show how these indicators can help me accurately determine the direction of the trend and identify entry points. My balance is currently $660, and I'll show you how these tools help me make more informed decisions without overloading the chart with unnecessary information. Everything will be live with real examples and analysis. And of course, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. So let's get started. First, let's set up the tools for work. And if you need a promo code for a bonus to your deposit, it'll be in the description. I choose classic candles and the time frame is 1 minute. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Ishimoku Kinko Hyo and the Awesome Oscillator. Let's set up the Ishimoku Kinko Hyo indicator first. Set Senku span B to 50. Disable Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, and Shiku span. Set Senku span A width to 2 and set Senku span B width to 2 and save. Let's configure the Awesome Oscillator. Set period long to 15 and save. So, the indicators are ready to go. Friends, if you trade on your phones, configure them in the same way. First situation, the expiry time is 3 minutes. I'm opening a long trade for $500. Now I'll explain in detail how this strategy works. Look, the candles have crossed the orange Ishimoku line from bottom to top, which is an important signal for a trend reversal. This intersection indicates that the market has switched from a downtrend to an uptrend. When the candles cross the Ishimoku line from bottom to top, it indicates that buyers are beginning to dominate the market and the trend is likely to develop in the direction of growth. This is one of the key points for the start of an upward movement, and this signal is an important confirmation. And the second signal comes from the Awesome Oscillator indicator. Its columns begin to change direction and show an upward movement, which also confirms the current trend. When the columns on the indicator turn green and start moving upward, this is another important signal confirming that the trend continues to develop in an upward direction. These two signals from the Ishimoku and the Awesome Oscillator both create a clear picture, confirming that an upward movement is beginning in the market, and this is an excellent moment to enter. Yes, the first trade closed with a profit. I earned $460. An excellent start. Let's move on. Friends, I'm going to give you a rare opportunity to master the art of trading under my mentorship, and all this without any investment. If you want to trade shoulder to shoulder with me, here's what you need to do. Carefully study the description below this video, click the link and join our community, and send me a private message with the phrase "ready to join the team." And you'll receive some practical recommendations which will help you to steadily increase your capital, and time is a factor. There are only 7 spots left to fill. Click the link down below and write to me, "ready to join the team," so you don't miss this chance. There's a new signal. The expiry time is 3 minutes, and I'm opening a long trade for $1,000. The chart shows excellent movement, and all indicators clearly confirm the entry, which gives additional confidence in the correctness of the chosen direction. When all technical signals coincide and confirm the same thing, it gives a high degree of confidence that the current trend will continue to develop in the right direction. The chart shows a strong upward movement, which cannot fail to attract attention. This signals that the market is in an active growth phase and the trend continues to gain momentum. In addition, I see impulse candles, which are an excellent additional factor confirming the current trend. Impulse candles are always a signal of a powerful movement in the chosen direction, confirming the activity of buyers in the market. When such candles appear, it often indicates a continuation of the trend because they reflect the significant strength and confidence of market participants. All these factors together create excellent conditions for a successful entry into the market, and in my opinion, this is an excellent opportunity to make a profit in the future by following the upward movement. And the trade closed in the black. I earned another $920. Let's continue. Next situation. The expiration time is 3 minutes. I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. All signals are confirmed and the moment to enter the market is really great. All technical indicators are synchronized, which gives complete confidence in the correctness of the chosen direction and opens up excellent opportunities for successful trading. Please note one key point. The strategy works most effectively only when the signals are fully synchronized. This is an important aspect to consider when deciding to enter the market. Don't react to a single indicator that gives a signal earlier than others, because it may be a false reference point. One delayed or premature signal can lead to the wrong decision, and you may find yourself in an unnecessarily risky situation. The real decision should only be made when all indicators confirm the same direction at the same time. This approach allows you to filter out weak or ambiguous situations and gives you confidence that you are acting in accordance with the complete market picture. This not only increases the likelihood of a successful entry, but also minimizes risks. In this case, patience is much more beneficial than a hasty entry, as it allows you to wait for the optimal moment for the best result. Friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to send me a direct message on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. And again, a confident result, plus $1,840 to the balance. Let's move on. Here's an excellent opportunity. The expiry time is 3 minutes, and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. The chart shows a strong downward movement, and all indicators fully support this direction, which gives confidence in the continuation of the trend. Signals from technical tools are synchronized, confirming that the market is moving downward. Earlier, we observed a sideways movement when the price was in a narrow range, but now the candles have broken out of this range downwards. This moment indicates that the accumulated energy inside the sideways channel is now being realized, and the market will continue to move downward. Such a breakout is often accompanied by a strong impulse movement, and since the candles have accumulated enough energy, the trend is likely to continue deepening downward. This is an excellent opportunity to follow this impulse and expect profits from the downward movement. Great! I've earned another $1,840, and my total balance is now $5,720. Time to take stock? That was an excellent trading session, friends. I managed to increase my balance from $660 to $5,720. This is an excellent result and a clear example of how strategy, analysis, and confident actions can bring stable profits. If you still have questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. My name is Stanley. See you soon and happy trading!